Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with a closer look and full review of the Orei BK-401 4-input, 1-output 8K HDMI switcher. This product makes it incredibly easy for you to connect 4 different HDMI media devices to a single monitor and still have complete control over which of the outputs from those devices is sent to that monitor at any given time using the select button on the front of the unit or the included remote control. The product fully supports 8K ultra high definition media content and is both HDMI 2.1 and HDCP 2.3 compliant, so it can support all of your modern media equipment and a wide range of different audio and video standards. It also has automatic EDIT adjustment as well as supporting a wide range of different audio codecs. Now, as part of this overview, I always like to start with an unboxing of a product just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the 4x1 switcher and explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and point out a few things that really separate this particular 4x1 switcher from a lot of other products on the market that you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the 4x1 switcher. You'll find a single 5-volt DC 1-amp power supply. You can plug this end into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs into the back of the unit and provides all the power you'll need for operation. Also included is a nice infrared remote control, and this is handy because you can use this on your desk and use the select button up front to decide which of the inputs is sent to your monitor. But having a remote control like this means you can have this on your media center and you can be way across the room and still make those selections. Also included is a warranty card and a full instruction manual that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and other really important details about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the product, and then I'll come back and point out a few things that I really like about this 4x1 switcher that you can use to compare it to others you may be considering. The Orei BK-401 features a high-impact plastic case, which makes the product both lightweight and very durable. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find a power indicator. The minute you add power, it immediately starts an internal power on self-test, where it's checking all the electronics to make sure everything is working okay. It's also checking the resolution of your 4 input devices and the resolution of your output monitor to make whatever adjustments are needed to give you the highest resolution image possible on that monitor. Once it finishes that self-test, it'll light this power LED, letting you know the product's ready to use. To the right of that are 5 more LEDs labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and auto. The first 4 indicate which of the media device's output is currently being sent to your monitor. And you can choose that by tapping this button or by using the infrared remote control. You can also put the unit in automatic mode. When it's in auto mode, the unit will select the input that was last used, send the output of that device to your monitor. To the right of that is an infrared receiver window. Behind there is an LED that picks up the signals from the infrared remote control. So if you're setting this up on a desktop or in a media center, make sure you can see that window if you're using that remote control. Again, to the right of that is the input selector button. On the bottom of the unit, you'll find ventilation holes that are cut into the cabinet, and those are designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape. You'll also find 4 rubber feet that protect the surface you set it down on and keep it in place and keep it from sliding around. On the rear of the unit, starting on the left, you'll find a DC input port. That's used with the included power supply. You'll simply plug that power supply into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable from that has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. To the right of that are 4 full-sized HDMI ports labeled input 1, 2, 3, and 4. These connect to whatever media devices you'd like to share across that monitor. And these are standard HDMI ports. On the side of the unit, you'll find 1 more HDMI port labeled output, and that's where the monitor's connected that you'd like to view that content on. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei BK-401 4x1 8K HDMI switcher with other products you may be considering. The first thing has to do with resolution. This product fully supports 8K ultra high definition media content, which means you know it's going to work perfectly fine with all of your modern media gear like your computer, your game console, your streaming media devices, as well as your widescreen display. And that's important even if you're not watching 8K content today, because you know eventually you'll upgrade some of your media gear or your display to 8K, and knowing this product can handle that higher resolution means you won't have to worry about upgrading it later on. A lot of other switchers on the market may only support 4K at 60 frames a second or 30 frames a second, or may only support 1080p content, which is going to greatly reduce the resolution of the image on your display. So finding one that supports 8K means it'll work great for today, and it'll also work great in the future. Another big difference is the fact that this product is both HDMI 2.1 and HDCP 2.3 compliant. And the reason that's important is because the HDMI standard has gone through a lot of changes in recent years and now includes a lot of advanced features you'll want to take advantage of. So having the latest version of HDMI on the product means you can take advantage of all those features. The HDCP standard is important as well because that controls copy protection. So knowing you've got the latest version of HDCP on the product means you can play a wider range of media styles with that copy protection enabled and still view those on your monitor. So both of those are extremely important. Another big difference is the fact that they've included a remote control because you'll typically use a switcher like this in one of two places, either on your desk to switch between several computers and your monitor, or in your media center to switch between a bunch of different media devices and a widescreen TV. Now, if it's on your desk, the select button on the front is typically close enough where you can hit that to switch between your sources, but if it's in your media room, you may be 20 feet away from your cabinet, and you don't want to get up every time you've got to switch the input. So having a remote control like this means you can sit back in the comfort of your home, and you can make those selections from way across the room. Another difference, which is a little more subtle, is the fact that it automatically adjusts for EDID. Now, EDID controls the input resolution and frame rate versus the monitor. A lot of other products in the market may not allow you to adjust the EDID settings at all, or they may require you to get in there and fiddle around with a couple of switches, and that can be a real headache. So the fact that this takes care of that for you automatically means it works really well in every situation. And the final thing I want to mention is the fact that this product supports a very wide range of audio codecs, so you know it's going to work with all the media types you're going to be playing today on your widescreen monitor. So all those things together make this a great choice. Now, I've been using this for quite some time. I like it an awful lot, and I think you're going to like it as well. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you found this review helpful, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.